Well, the road rules are set to be stricter across the country. As per the new amendment to the motor vehicle rules, it has been said that 5 or more traffic violations within 1 year can cost you your driver's license. Well, under this provision, if you have been issued 5 e-chalans in a span of 1 year, the licensing authority can suspend your driver's license. Well, let me tell you that at present there are 24 such identified offences, which include over speeding, jumping a traffic signal, not wearing a helmet while driving, not wearing a seat belt while driving, also illegal parking at public places, and all such rules. So, any such combination of 5 or more such traffic offences will now be costing your driver's license. But there is a certain relief because the government has clarified that it will not be suspended automatically. It will be the district transport office which will be taking a final call, and the final call will only be taken after the license holder has been heard before such action is taken. Let me tell you that this notification was published on Wednesday, and it clarified that this 1 year count starts from January 1st, 2026. And of course, a 1 year count will not be carried forward to the another year. So that is also very specifically mentioned in this notification. Remember that earlier the practice used to be that at first the license would be suspended for 3 months, and then for 6 months, and then eventually 1 year. So this is now a tougher rule that you will be seeing right now on the roads of the entire country. Now the government has said that this move has been brought in to punish the habitual offenders and to make the Indian roads safer. But the question remains that how will the implementation on ground be done? Because only if the implementation is good will it actually bring results in making the Indian road safer. Otherwise, it will turn into yet another chaos for the Indian drivers. Now, with camera person Prem Singh, this is Shila